In this video, I'm going to show you how much I made on YouTube in 1 month with just over 5,000 subscribers as a small YouTuber. Hey guys, my name is Damien Black and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how much I made on YouTube in January 2021. I have just over 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and if you didn't already know, I got approved for monetization on December the 14th, 2020. So I'm going to show you my YouTube dashboard and show you how much I have made in January this month with just 5,000 subscribers. Alright, so let's hop on inside my YouTube studio. Okay, let's just load. And let me show you my analytics. And boom, here you can see that I've made $65 in the last 28 days with my YouTube channel. Now bear in mind, I have just started uploading recently, about 2 weeks ago. I was over 1 year inactive, so this is why I'm only making 65 bucks. But as you can see here, I only have 5,000 views, 5,600 views, and I managed to make $65, which is pretty good, guys, because in the YouTube niche, the CPM, the playback based CPM is really high. So right now my playback based CPM is $28 and my RPM is $12. Now RPM means how much I get paid per 1,000 views. This is exactly how much I get paid per 1,000 views. But if you go to last 7 days, it went up a bit for my channel. It's based on what videos you upload in what niche, so it changes daily. Now in the last 7 days I have made $22, and in the last 7 days I have just 1,700 views. So as you can see here, it really does fluctuate based on your content. And right now in the last 7 days, my playback based CPM is $31, my RPM is $14. Now my highest day on YouTube was 660. Now this year I plan on taking my YouTube channel to well over $1,000. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and follow me on my journey. So in January 2021, I made $62 so far. Now there's 2 or 3 days left in the month, so I'm gonna probably make about 70 bucks this month, which is not bad based on the views I'm getting. So I'm gonna be posting more consistently on my channel, and I'm planning to take this exact channel to over $1,000 per month this year. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now right here you can see my top earning videos based on the views. So my top earning video is the free course How to Start CPA Marketing. This is a 55-minute video, and this is why it has made me the most money, because there are ads every 5 minutes inside the video. So really, the longer your video is, the more ads you can insert in the video and the more you will make. So that's why I keep my content over 10 minutes every single video. Now you can see here that I have just over 550 monetized playbacks, which has made me $13, and my playback based CPM for this video is $46. Now you might be wondering why my playback based CPM is $95 for this video, and it's because it's a video on how to create a landing page, and a lot of advertisers are paying to promote their landing page builder on my YouTube channel. And some videos is lower, some videos is higher. It's really based on the content you create. So if you want to maximize your earnings on YouTube, post consistently and then do more videos which have a higher playback based CPM. That's what it really comes down to. So guys, if you are starting a YouTube channel, I highly recommend you to think about the business niche, because the RPM and playback based CPM is the highest out of all the categories you can start in. So as I said before, you can make a lot of money with just a couple of views on YouTube. Okay, with just look at my channel. Just with 1,700 views, I made $22. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. This was a short video just to show you how much I made it this month. Nothing crazy. but I plan on posting more consistently on this channel. I'm thinking 2 to 3 times a week, and let's see when I finally reach the $1,000 mark. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, comment what you think below. Hit me up on Facebook if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.